back to Lily's Everyday. Today it's a special edition as I'm in the kitchen with my beautiful mother. We are making breakfast bread boats, and what this involves is we take this white bread loaf, and you can find these in a frozen aisle at your local grocery store. We elongate it into boat shapes like this, and you fill the middle with whatever you like. Over here we have a mixture of different items such as spinach with tomato and garlic, mozzarella cheese mixed in with a feta cheese or another cheese of your choice. This is the one that we mixed it up with. It's called picnic cheese. We also have beef jerky, and then we're going to do an egg wash on top for a golden brown color. We also have different ingredients here like onions, green onions, and then tomatoes, some dill. You can go ahead and fill it up with whatever you like, and this just takes minutes to come together. After you thaw out the dough, we're going to show you the process. We're going to go ahead and start off by portioning the bread loaf and taking a third of it, and then we're going to go ahead and roll it out fairly thinly so that we can shape the boat. The best part about this recipe is it's very versatile and customizable. Here we're making one with a stuffed cheese crust. Pinch both sides so that the stuffing of your choice will be contained. Then use your hands to give both sides a slight curve. Brush the sides and the inside with a beaten egg to give it a golden color. Carefully spoon your desired ingredients into the bread. After the cheese, we're going to go ahead and layer it with the spinach mixture. Since it's so customizable, we're going to go ahead and customize this one with jerk beef. We're going to go ahead and layer these with green onions and tomatoes. Here is the cheese and dill combination. Do sunny side up or scrambled eggs on top of the layers. For those that like the scrambled egg, we're going to go ahead and beat some eggs with salt and pepper and pour a splash of milk, and then pour it over the desired combination. carefully ladle or spoon the beaten eggs into your desired combination breads. And here are the results of our breakfast stuffed breads, guys. They turned out wonderful. Since they were customizable, everybody had the combinations that they wanted. The house smelled amazing. Just imagine the smell of bread and roasted vegetables. That's just so scrumptious. You guys have to try this recipe. If you do, comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you all so much for watching. Hope to see you back soon.